Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to present 4th episode of Best Out of West. We all know that the skin of most of the vegetables contain high food value. But the irony is, we generally throw it away before cooking. However, it is really possible to make not only innovative but also healthy and delicious recipes from the skin that would otherwise be thrown away. One of such recipe is Potoler Khosha Bata, that is pointed goat skin paste stir fry. So let's get started. Take 500 grams of pointed goat. Peel off the skin slightly thick. Pour a cup of water in a pressure cooker. Add the skin of the pointed goat to it and pressure cook on high flame until a whistle comes. Then make the flame low and cook for 10 minutes. Keep aside the pressure cooker until the pressure becomes normal. Strain it. Take the boiled pointed goat skin in a mixer grinder jar. Add 2 green chilies and 4 cloves of garlic. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and keep watching more amazing recipes in the future. Make a fine paste without adding water. Now add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a hot karai and make the flame medium. Add half teaspoon of nagila seeds, that is black cumin seeds. When aroma comes, add the paste of the pointed goat skin to it. Stir it for 1 minute. And add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt to it. Stir fry on medium to low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Again stir it on low flame until it separates from the karai. Switch off the flame and cover it with a lid. Give a standing time of 10 minutes. Now it is ready to serve it with a hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.